we are waiting for him to join. Where is agent? Agent is right here.
Hello!
Hi, how are you doing?
Can I take my mask off? Hello?
It's getting stuck a little, your video.
Really? Is it better now?
Yeah. Better.
I have done nothing but wait for the Wi-Fi to get better.
Yeah. Hi,
पहली
Naveen, how
बार
are you
किस
doing?
I'm great. Like right now the biggest worry in my life is that the whole world is going to find out my internet sucks. The worst way to get on to Miss Malini for the first time.
And
A lot of people actually ask me, Naveen, why don't you ever do an Insta live? And I'm like, you check with my broadband provider first. My
like everyone is asking, everyone's like, where's agent? Where's agent Atreya? Like, where is he?
yes. Hello to all the Telugu fans as well who have tuned in. जितने भी हमारे हिंदी दर्शक हैं जो नहीं जानते, apart from Chichori last year, I did this film in Telugu from the land of Bahubali.
Something.
It's called Agent Sai Srinivas Atreya. It's a detective film, and it did superb. Actually,
And
last year was a really great year. Right now, the world sucks.
I just wanted to ask you, how did you handle all that? Like, there was Chichori and then there was this and there's so much going on.
It's insane. It's insane. It's like 10 years of auditioning, 10 years of nobody selecting me, and then
And
suddenly
1 year
out of
of me
nowhere,
starting.
yeah, and then suddenly out of nowhere, two debuts happened in two different industries, and both films became like super hits. So I'm
Exactly.
like, for the first 1 month, I was just crying every day. Uh, I was just crying. I was like, "Kya ye
Very,
sach hai?"
a very honest reaction.
Yes, I was just crying. I would just read the reviews for Chichore. I would read the reviews for Agent, and I would be like, "Kya ye sach hai? Are they talking about me?" And and my dad for the first time had an answer for questions in family functions कि आपका लड़का करता क्या है?
क्या करता?
So so for 10 years he didn't have an answer. For 10 years he was like, पता नहीं क्या बोलना है. Every time someone would go, he'd be like, आपने पनीर टेस्ट किया? It's really good. I'll just wish the couple and come. So these are some of the answers he had. And then finally
But
he's
I
like,
was a fan. I was a fan since AIB ka those the rant videos that you used to do. The house party video was my favorite.
yes,
So
AIB videos. I mean, like I
I
said,
think
AIB, the boys at AIB were when I was in that whole auditioning phase of theater, and just Aram Nagar. If anyone is from Bombay, they'll know Aram Nagar is the depression capital of India. So वहाँ पे when I was doing those rounds, and people always used to in auditions they used to tell me you're a good actor, but I'm sorry आपका नहीं हुआ. You know, that's the only thing that I would hear common in all auditions. And after two and a half years of auditioning, I think the boys at AIB, Tanmay, Rohan, Khamba, all of these guys were the first guys to actually trust me. Literally,
yeah.
Tanmay met me, and then he was like, you know what? Come on, let's work together. And when I went to work with those guys, I realized it was just a bunch of middle class kids with a lot of passion and creativity and no surname, no industry connections.
Yeah.
सबके पास एक सपना था, लेकिन किसी के पास सरनेम नहीं था. तो I think सबने मिलकर मेहनत की, and the video started becoming viral.
Yeah.
And then once all the videos for a couple of years, when the video started becoming viral, I was personally looking for like a good film opportunity क्योंकि बचपन से यही तो सपना था. I think I'm not one of those actors who later on decided to become an actor. I was very clear. I think 4th या 5th grade से ही मैं मतलब लग गया था कीड़ा मेरे अंदर. So then that's when so basically I was looking for a good film script, and that's when Agent Sai Srinivas Atreya in Telugu and Chichore in Hindi came my way. And quickly I see a lot of Telugu people also tuning in, so I'm just
a lot. Yeah.
మీ ఏజెంట్ సాయి తెలుగు ఇక్కడ ఉన్న తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ నమస్కారం. మీ ఏజెంట్ సాయి శ్రీనివాస్ ఆత్రేయ, షెర్లాక్ హోమ్స్ ఫిక్షనల్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఏజెంట్ సాయి శ్రీనివాస్ ఆత్రేయ ఒరిజినల్.
And they're saying when will the part 2 come out?
Yes, I don't know. You should tag my director, and during Agent, Agent, it's a detective film, right? So basically,
Yeah.
the detective needs a case to solve. So every day when I wake up, the first thing I do is I Google all the crime cases across the world. So I'm like, आज बता देखते हैं, because I'm looking. It sounds very sad to say, but I'm looking for a crime which hasn't been done before. I'm looking for a very interesting crime. So when you log into my phone and check my browser history, you'll be like,
That
"Hey,
only.
bhai, iska kuch hai." Why are there so many criminal pictures on your phone? Because I'm looking for that perfect crime that Agent Sai Srinath Satra can solve in the sequel.
The part. Yeah.
So the answer to that question is, whenever all the criminals out there perform a really good crime, uh, I think,
So that,
I think,
don't,
I think that's when,
very
that's
bad.
when that's when sequel hoga. Yeah.
So I think how's quarantine going though for you?
Oh my God, it's like,
You're loving
like I
your
was telling you,
cooking
right?
adventure. I think cooking is going very well.
Thank you. No, like I was telling you just now, ki for 10 years I was into auditioning, theater. So when you're an actor struggling to find work, your life is actually a quarantine lockdown situation. ज़्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है करने के लिए. So my dad used to say things to me कि यार दिन भर घर पे बैठा रहता है, all day you're just watching Netflix, you're so lazy. Now it so happened he says the same thing, but इज्जत बढ़ गई है. It's like for the same things. It's like दिन भर घर पे बैठा रहता है, Netflix देखते रहता है, very lazy. He's my son. He's
But it's
saying the
very
word.
good.
He's
Saying
look at
the
my
word.
son. So I never thought कि क्योंकि इन चीजों को तो मैं फोड़ देता हूँ, laziness and not stepping out of the house and watching like web series, watching stuff from around the world. This is my game. I never thought there would come a time in my life जब ये skills काम आएंगे. So
Now now all of us actually are pros at it now.
yeah, I'm a pro. अगर किसी को tips चाहिए तो follow my Insta
Instagram.
channel. But otherwise, what I've been doing in this quarantine is I figured there's only so much you can control. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम control नहीं कर सकते. We follow the precautions, and then I said, you know what? I'm going to start doing a quarantine series. So I'm shooting like a bunch of quarantine sketches from my house, hoping that people will like it, because I think everyone's logging in and they're reading so much about the virus and the cases. I thought, okay, you know what? Sorry?
It's all a lot of negative news, right? So
Yeah,
I think
so
watching
there's a lot of things, those things I can anyway not control. So I'm doing this quarantine sketch series, which has taken off really well. If you are watching right now, please go onto my Instagram, IGTV, or my YouTube. Subscribe to the quarantine series. I just did a quarantine cooking masterclass.
Cooking master.
Yes, have you seen the video?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Is this Pudina? No, this is Pudina.
yes, so Pudina lovers and Avioli, ole, meatball lovers,
Everyone.
all you people, if you want to cook at home, please go and subscribe to the channel or go to my IGTV and watch the video and figure it out for yourself.
And someone's asking, are you growing out your hair now?
Do I have an option? वो अपने आप बढ़ रहा है. मैं कुछ
Oh,
नहीं कर रहा.
hairband, oh cool.
This is not like a style statement. This is just no choice quarantine lockdown के consequences है ये सब. आज मैं लाइव पे आ रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं दाढ़ी बना के आया. वरना तो people would have been like ये किसको ला लिया मिस मालिनी पे.
I think that's all of us. And okay, so I have a quick game for you. It's just to choose this or that. Okay. And just a few options. So we are in quarantine and it's related to that. Okay. So would you choose to cook or wash clothes?
Yeah, as you guys have seen in my previous sketch, quarantine masterclass cooking, I'm a professional chef since day before yesterday. So I would anyway definitely pick cooking क्योंकि कपड़े यार नहीं यार इससे अच्छा तो मैं आरामनगर में ऑडिशन दे के रिजेक्ट होके आ जाता. That was better. That phase of my life was better. Yeah.
Okay, would you binge watch or play? would you binge watch or play video games? Are you a video game person?
Binge watch. The last video game I
Binge
played
watch.
was Mario on the 64 wala cassette जो आता था 64 in 1. That's the last one I played. उसके बाद से मतलब.
Okay, no Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
No Wi-Fi or no power. No electricity.
Sorry, what's that?
I mean, you can have Wi-Fi without electricity, but like no data or no electricity.
No data or what?
No electricity at home.
Oh, actually, both are same for me because अगर electricity आ भी जाता तो मेरे phone पे data नहीं आता because I'm a Vodafone customer. So अगर कोई Vodafone, if you are watching this live stream,
Please listen. Please turn on problem.
Yeah, there is. You know, when I go to meetings, when I go to like when you know the world before when we used to go out in public. Do you remember that? Do you remember that phase of our lives? जहाँ पे you would go to like watch a show and people would make announcements where you would sit with fellow human beings, like ऐसे रगड़ के बैठते थे एक दूसरे पे.
I don't know.
Yeah, that world during that phase, उन दिनों में ना, I when people used to make this announcement, please switch off your phones, I'd be like, guys, I'm on Vodafone. मुझे network नहीं आता. I don't need to do these things. Nobody can ever reach me. Yeah. So no data is a constant state of life when you're a Vodafone customer.
Okay, are you? What is your current sleep cycle? Like, what are you a late sleeper or you wake up early and like you're at it?
Yeah, my current sleep cycle is I sleep really early, so that because when I wake up I have to sleep again. So that's why. So that's why
you
I
had
sleep.
to. I was like, wow, inspiration.
मुझसे inspiration चाहिए तो यही चीजें मिलेगी. So I sleep early, then I wake up, then I make myself some coffee. You know, the first like I wake up to the sight of the pending dishes from last night in the sink. So I'm like, यार नहीं यार, इससे अच्छा तो मैं सो ही जाता. Because as long as the dishes keep piling up, I have no reason to wake up. I'm like, nahi yaar, the world is still the same. The vaccine has still not been found. The vaccine is they're still working. The lockdown is still on. So yeah, so I wake up to that site and then I do my dishes. And then, you know, I was actually thinking that when I get a break like this, I'm going to learn a guitar or I'm going to learn playing the piano. But I realized कि ये सब करने के लिए time ही नहीं है. Like after I finish the dishes, मुझे भूख लगती है, and I'm like क्या खाए. So then I Google stuff and then I assemble new cutlery and utensils. Then I make things. Then I eat it, and then the dishes pile up again, and then I do the dishes. By now it's like 4:30 in the evening. I'm tired, and then फिर रात का सोचो कपड़े. Then suddenly someone in the house will give me a dirty look कि अपने चड्डी तो कम से कम खुद धोया करो, and I'm like okay. I didn't realize all these days that I wasn't washing my own undergarments. And I'm like, right now, this part of my life is washing your own chaddi. So yeah. So then, ये सब करने में ही मतलब time निकल जाता है. So I actually, when people ask me, what are you doing apart from shooting the quarantine series sketches, which you should go and subscribe on YouTube and watch on IGTV right now. Anyway, that's besides the point. Apart from that, मुझे एक और lockdown चाहिए जहाँ पे buy is allowed to come, where all your dishes and clothes are taken care of and your food is cooked.
Wow.
Then I will learn the piano. Then I will learn a guitar.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need another version of this lockdown. This lockdown is. You know what this lockdown is? It's like why I chose not to live in the West. क्योंकि बाहर के देशों में अगर आप देखोगे अमेरिका, can you hear me?
Yeah. Now, yeah.
बाहर के देशों में अगर आप देखोगे अमेरिका में people go and settle there and you call them over the weekends, then they're क्या कर रहे हो? Dishes कर रहा हूँ. Dishes.
Yeah.
And I'm doing my clothes. So I didn't want that life. So this is precisely why I chose to live in India. And now we have become a true superpower right now because we are doing our own work. हम हमारे कपड़े खुद धोते हैं and we do our own dishes. So for the first time ever, I think we've become a superpower in that sense.
I think that's a great way to look at it. Make ourselves feel Better?
Yes, yes. In fact, I see a lot of Telugu people also, and they must know this because they
Yeah,
migrate a
they
lot
say
to
Telugu, Telugu,
America.
Telugu.
Sorry.
People are saying you're too brutally honest.
Am I? I'm sorry. Am I supposed to have a filter?
No way.
The thing is,
They're saying sing a song. Naveen, they're saying sing a song.
sing a song. I will. I thought वो मैं जाते समय गाऊंगा. अभी आप वापस. Are you already? Are you
Oh,
guys
okay,
already
okay,
bored of me?
in
Are you
the
guys
end, yeah,
already
yeah.
bored of me? When we
Okay,
finish
so
this chat, that's when. By the way, ये इतने कम लोग क्यों दिख रहे हैं मुझे? 400, 500 लोग. What is this? Where are all the others? What are you guys doing? It's a freaking lockdown. Where are all the people? सब लोग उठाओ जाके call your friends and ask them to get on the live. What's going on? Just tell them Hrithik Roshan is
guys,
on
what
live.
is this, guys?
What's that?
They're asking what? Ask him to. Okay, everyone's saying sing. Okay, in the end, guys. In the end. Someone said people are doing the dishes and that's why they're not here.
What's that? What's that?
Someone said people are doing the dishes and that's why they're not here.
That's true. This is actually dishwashing time. Dishwashing time, yeah. No, I
So
mean,
I want to ask you if you had to choose, like, nowadays everyone's like posting their workout videos and stuff like that. So are you someone who posts your workout videos online or no? That's not your scene.
yeah. I mean, my workout. I believe in yoga a lot, so I do the shavasana a lot. So so I don't know. I don't know if I can post a video. And is it okay? I mean, are you allowed to? I don't know. I want to ask other celebs. Are you allowed to post a 16-hour video of you doing shavasana? If you are allowed to, then I will start posting from tomorrow.
You start posting.
No, like I said, for me, I find more joy in doing funny sketches around quarantine.
Yeah.
Because that's something. क्या हुआ ना with Chichore and with Agent, my YouTube videos and all that, I had to put it on hold. You know, because with Agent, what happened was, with Agent Sai, what happened was I was also the screenplay writer for that script. So I took a 8-month break. Yeah, so I took an 8-month break from my YouTube and everything to work on the writing of that film. So that happened, and then we shot Agent, and then we shot Chichore, and then now I'm shooting something else. So suddenly I realized ki all the fun videos that I used to do, I never got a chance to sort of revisit them. And this quarantine has kind of given me so much time, and I kept logging in online, and people kept commenting saying, let's make some videos for us. And I said, you know what, let me try doing this.
Yeah.
So then I've been doing it, and in fact I'm dropping one tomorrow. So if you still haven't subscribed or followed me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? No, yeah. So I think बर्तन साफ करके ये video shoot करने में all the time, all my days just I don't know. Yeah.
And the last one I wanted to ask you was, have you made or are you ever going to make the Dalgona coffee that's trending or no?
The Dalgona coffee is so passé. The new sensation in town is the caramelized, herb crusted, avioli, ole meatballs. That's what India needs to be making. Dalgona ho gaya yaar. If you don't know what the avioli, ole meatballs are, that means you still haven't followed me on Insta. That means you still haven't followed me on Insta. Sorry, what's that?
I said absolutely. They don't get the reference. They have not seen your video yet.
Yeah, no. So I'm making a bunch of videos because I realized पता नहीं theaters कब खुलेंगे दोबारा. पता नहीं film career फिर से मिलेगा कि नहीं. I don't know whether theatricals.
But what are you working on next? You said you're working on another film.
So I'm doing 2 projects right now. There's an OTT series with a big. There's a Hindi OTT series which is a big, a super project that I was really excited about. and unfortunately, because of the current circumstances, that project had to be put on hold. Yeah, otherwise we would have made an announcement right now. So that's happening in Hindi. And Telugu mein, there's a film called Mahanati, if you've seen in Telugu, which also won the national award last year for Best Actress, Best Director, Best Film. Yes, so I'm doing a film with them from the same makers, with the same team. Our film పేరు జాతి రత్నాలు. I think తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులందరూ, all the Telugu people that are watching, Agent Sai Srinivas Atre అని చాలా మంది మెసేజ్ చేసి అడుగుతున్నారు, when is the next movie? Jati Ratnalu is already shot, and I think once, the thing is, it's a film that we've shot for over a year now, and it is one of the most hilarious scripts I've read and been a part of. It's been a ball. So when, in fact, before all of this went down, we were so excited to bring the film to the audience, because when I saw the rough cut of the film, and it is hilarious. So then we said, so for everyone asking, it's a film that I want all of you to come and enjoy in 100% occupancy when the theaters reopen. You know, it's not a film, when you make a film for 1 year, you want the theatrical experience or the audience to laugh a lot and enjoy the film. And right now, I don't see that happening the way things are. Even if we reopen the theaters, I don't know how long it's going to take for housefuls to happen again. And the whole point of watching a movie on the big screen is that community gathering and that experience of laughing with 300 people. And whenever we are ready as a community for that, that's when I think Jati Ratnalu is going to come out. And meanwhile, this OTT thing in Hindi should also come out, because Chichore is a project where, you know, the first thing, when my dad saw the poster of Chichore, there were 7 people on it, and he said, "Isme se tu kaun hai?" And then I said, "अगर मेरे पापा ने मुझे नहीं पहचाना, तो कल को फिल्म में मुझे कौन पहचानेगा?" So in fact, I never told anyone that I was doing Chichore. It was my first film, and it was, like I said, it was a dream that I've been waiting for, and I was reading scripts and auditioning and waiting for the right film. So when it happened, I didn't know whether people would notice acid. You know, in an ensemble film, you never know कि लोगों को कौन सा character पसंद आएगा. But when the film released, and everybody kept calling saying, "Oh my God, I'm the acid in the group." And somebody met me the other day. I went to take groceries, and somebody met me, and he's like, "Acid? आप गाली नहीं देते? You don't." So guys, मैं क्वारंटीन के टाइम पे ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग करते करते गालियां देते हुए नहीं घूमता. I'm like, "Hey, positive, give me that pasta." That's not what, I'm not acid in real life. It's something that Nitesh sir made me do. In fact, when Nitesh sir narrated the script to me, I said, "Sir, ये बंदा इतनी गालियां दे रहा है, ये सेंसर के बाद इसका कैरेक्टर बचेगा क्या फिल्म में?" Because I was like, this is my, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ सर, क्योंकि this is my first film. कल को मैंने सबको बोल दिया कि मैं I am Dangal director's next film, I'm doing it, and then वहां जाके पता चला कि मैं first half में हुई नहीं. I was like, I don't want to take that chance, because I know my relatives, they'll come to me and be like, "क्या हुआ? What happened? You said Dangal मंगल, क्या कुछ तो बोल रहा था, first half में तो तुम थे ही नहीं." But no, thanks to the audience. Like I said, I think this is what my analysis is. This is what my analysis is. I think you know, इतने सालों से YouTube videos पे, or even before that in theater, people have just been following my work, and when finally the film debuts happened, I think a lot of people went in thinking, ये तो अपना वाला है, ये तो अपना है, this is one of us, this guy, because honestly speaking, I'm not supposed to be where I am. You know, I'm supposed to be on that Insta live writing a comment to a celebrity asking a question. So I think it is these people who are watching this live right now, and people who are doing their dishes right now. These are the people that just I always say this, इन्होंने मुझे 720 पिक्सल से 70 mm तक पहुंचा दिया, और कोरोना ने मुझे 70 mm से दोबारा 720 पिक्सल पे पहुंचा दिया. So
can't wait to see you back in the 70 mm.
So I'm waiting for this corona thing to be done, so we can meet again at the 70 mm screens.
Yes.
So yeah, that's it's been quite a journey, yaar. It's been quite a journey, and I owe it to the audience. That's all I can say.
Yeah, Naveen is. They've added him, and we're waiting for him to join.
Hi.
Back. Yeah.
Welcome to the sequel of the Miss Malini live chat.
Someone called Nikhil is saying, but someone called Nikhil is also asking.
यार ये उदित नारायण की आवाज में मैं गा करना मेरे को अभी उदित सर मेरे घर पे आने लगे हैं. अब मैं I think one of these days Aditya Narayan is going to have a property dispute with me. कि ये क्या हो रहा है, तुम पापा की आवाज क्यों निकाल रहे हो हर जगह.
And someone is asking if ask him why he looks so hot.
Because it's I don't know, it's first of all, who is this someone? I need to take a screenshot of this.
Get the question.
I need to take a screenshot of this and make it my wallpaper. क्योंकि ये मेरे को अक्सर मिलता नहीं है ऐसा कमेंट. तो जब मिल गया तब उसको मतलब स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो जब भी जैसे मिल गया. Yeah. No, it's like घर पे बैठ के खाओ. 16 hours of sleep plus 7 to 8 meals a day for no reason is the secret behind like a glow.
Brittany Cardos.
What's that?
Her name was Brittany.
ये देखो ये भौमिक do ragging with my name. ए भौमिक सीधे खड़े हो बे. माँ की गाली आती है भौमिक. बाप की ताऊ फूफा साले मदर बोर्ड.
I think the day is made.
अभी 10-15 मिनट बाद भौमिक का रिप्लाई आएगा. Guys, this is interaction in the post corona world. This is how things are going to be. This is how things are going to be.
And people are asking, can you please say the monologue of Agent Sai Srinivas Atreya?
Oh my God. Okay, this is for all the readers out there जो किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं. This is for all the Telugu people and for all the non-Telugu speaking people as well. If you are watching this, log on to Prime right now, Amazon Prime right now, and watch last year's detective cult hit movie Agent Sai Srinivasa Atreya on Amazon Prime. I have nothing to do with the film. I don't know why I'm pushing the film. I have absolutely nothing to do with the film. This is not a biased review. Guys in the comments, please tell them why they should watch that film. And this is for all the people who have watched the film, who have watched Agent Sai. I get a lot of messages from Delhi, and just yesterday someone wrote to me from Kolkata saying they saw the film on Prime because of lockdown. From around the world, all because right now, thanks to Prime and Netflix, I think filmmaking, the language barriers no longer exist. All you have to do is write a good story, make a good film, and regardless of the language, people will still go and watch it. I think that's why we see so many people watching Money Heist right now on Netflix. Or, maybe 10 years back, so people wouldn't have seen Parasite as many as they have seen today. So I did not say that Parasite and Agent Sai are in the same league. That's not what I said. That's what she said. And this is just a snippet dialogue for all the Telugu people or all the people who've seen the film. This is from the film. Hello sir, we are having a very fantastic offer on our book. Sorry, మధ్య మనం చూస్తుంటాం సార్ పిల్లలకి అసలు పుస్తకాల మీద ధ్యాస ఉండట్లేదు సార్. కానీ మా పుస్తకాలు చదివితే మీ పిల్లలకి 0 నుంచి 150 దాకా పెరిగే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది సార్. థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ వాళ్ళు కేబీసీ ఐఐటీలో కూడా సెలెక్ట్ అవుతారు సార్. బుక్ కన్నా ఫస్ట్ 1 వీక్ లోనే వాళ్ళు. హలో, కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ? యా. బుక్ కన్నా ఫస్ట్ 1 వీక్ లోనే వాళ్ళు చాలా ఇంటెలిజెంట్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతారు సార్. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ హే ఎంటర్ వాళ్ళు చాలా ఇంటెలిజెంట్ గా కనిపిస్తున్నారు కమెంట్స్ కూడా పెడతారు సార్. 50 rupees డిస్కౌంట్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. హ్యావ్ అ గుడ్ డే. గో అండ్ వాచ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్ సార్. జస్ట్ 2 minutes sir. Just go and watch it right now sir. Thank you very much.
That was amazing.
Yeah, बीच में मेरा कनेक्शन कट हो गया, so I had to break the dialogue. So
that was amazing. I think I'm gonna watch for sure after this.
Yes, that's why I do this Insta live.
Yeah.
To make people watch all the movies that I've been in. And, yeah, but this was so much fun.
Yeah, it was too much fun.
This was
conversation.
Say something Corona in acid style. क्या बोलूं Corona में? like the great Abhijit Bhattacharya once said, तुमने ना जाना ये है कोरोना लेकर आया है ये ग्लोबल रोना हाथ मल कर तुम सैनिटाइज मलोना 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 ओ मिलोना मिलोना मत मिलोना ओ घर से तुम बाहर ना निकलो ना
Amazing. That is his message.
I have for you guys.
Corona time. I think you should like make it a song, like make it.
I just did. Thanks for giving me an idea. Maybe it'll make into the next next sketch on my Instagram in the quarantine sketch. This is an audio call.
Audio
This is
call.
an audio live. I am reporting from a war zone, and यहाँ पे हालात काफी गंभीर हैं. हमारे बिल्डिंग के बाहर जो कुत्ते हैं उनको खाना नहीं मिल रहा है. So we have rescued 6 puppies, and please check out my Instagram post. And if you know anyone who's looking for a dog or a puppy to adopt,
Yes,
please
guys.
DM me. Right now, my only aim is to give these 6 beautiful puppies a home, a family. And wherever you are, stay safe. Or I think most of us are if you have a house right now and you have an internet connection and you're watching this Insta Live, we are already doing better off than a lot of people out there. So whenever you step out, and if you can't step out, find a way online. Social media is such a great tool. Use Twitter, use Instagram to spread the word about cases where people are in need of help. And please leave some food out for animals on the street, guys. It was a pleasure. I've been a great admirer of your work.
Yes.
Sorry?
Thank you for talking to us. It was too entertaining.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. You're the first guys. You'll always be my first one. I'll always remember you guys because it's the first Insta Live ever that I've done. So,
Great.
thank you, Miss Malini, and thank you everybody at your team. Thank you very much.
Thank
Stay
you
safe.
so much.